despite abandoning its own Exynos processors in its latest Galaxy S22 series devices. It seems like Samsung may be bringing the SoC back for future phones, as a new rumor suggests the company may employ Exynos processors in its next Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S23 FE. PocketLint broke the news, citing a trusted source. Apparently, like in the past, the company would only employ the Exynos processor in select locations. However, the new processor might appear in the next Galaxy S23 FE, as well as the Galaxy S24, which is set to launch in 2024. While using a different chip would not normally be a concern, Samsung's Exynos series has a horrible track record, with performance difficulties and other issues appearing on Galaxy S22 devices. Our own lead technical editor Adam Conway directly encountered similar issues with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which had slowness and display issues. Since Samsung decides to use Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors in other locations, consumers can plainly see the difference in quality firsthand. When might consumers expect to see the Galaxy S23 FE? The handset is expected to arrive later this year, according to the source. In terms of appearance, the leaked renderings depict a handset that is quite similar to the previous models introduced by Samsung this year. So, regrettably, there's nothing really thrilling on that front. While this news causes concern, there is always the possibility that Samsung may deliver an enhanced Exynos experience when the processor is available. The company is most certainly aware of previous troubles with their chip, so there's no reason to expect it'll repeat the same errors in the future. With that in mind, let us hope that its newest Exynos processors perform comparably to competition SoCs. But first, there's Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked, which will take place in Seoul to coincide with the release of the company's newest foldables. To save $50, make your reservation before to the event. Given Samsung's history of performance concerns with their Exynos processors. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.